Well, we've been talking about the Aqua control and the low water control. Okay, so now we're gonna get to the bottom of this. This is what what's going on with this two type of thing. So you know, it's Aqua control. Very good product. Save money, energy, reduce inventory, and reduce service call. Well, I just had to go to one, so I don't know about that. Okay, so this is a typical low water cutoff. Safeguard low water cutoff, so right there. Model 1150 by Safeguard, and this is the Pro over here. Okay, you see, you screw this in the pipe, and the water always sends the water around here. Okay, as soon as this thing goes dry, somehow it will cut the power to the burner. This is set about, I would say about maybe 12 inches above the boiler if it's in the bottom over here. So this is what is required by the state now in every installation. Okay, believe it or not, I go to a lot of jobs where they don't have one. There's a lot of units up there, they don't. I guess it was a time that it doesn't really matter if you have it or not, but there's still a lot of places, a lot of homeowners, they don't have this type of control in their boiler. And this is the new one, just came out. Well, not came out, this has been out like 3 or 4 years. But this past year, I started seeing more and more this type of control, and then specific and new equipment. Okay, this is let's get our back over here, and let's talk about a little bit. Okay, nice control. Got the computerized thing. See, guys, over here. Okay, now I don't have the screwdriver for this thing over here now to open it. And oh, it's over here. Look, it's over here. I got it over here. I don't have to open the control inside. This is over here. Okay, this is coming out of here. This is plugged in, and it says right there, guy. Look, temperature sensor. Okay, so it's not a Pro like this that we're talking about. It's a sensor, right? And what this thing does is, I don't want to take it off the bag. Let me see if I can show you over here. I want to leave it in the bag. You can see it right there, guys. This whole thing over here. Okay, it's getting insert. This is a small well. This is connected to the boiler, and then this thing goes inside. This Pro goes inside. So the inspector's right. It is a sensor. It's not a low water cutoff, because it's never, the sensor never get in contact with the water, because it's inside here. This is where the water over here, the water run through here and touch this. But basically, it's a temperature sensor. See right there. Okay, but it's not low water cutoff. Okay, again, the well should be used. The new equipment they first come out with this plastic. I don't like it at all. Well, I was talking to one of those guys, and he said you could put a pipe wrench. And you will not break it. I say, well, okay, all right, whatever you say. But believe me, if I got a boiler in my house, I don't want that thing in my personally. If I got a boiler, I would not put that plastic thing in my boiler. No way. So anyway, okay, so now this is what it is, guys. See, this is just as direct over here. You only got one wire coming out of here, this control over here, and go to the board. All right, two different things. See, this is a Pro over here. The water goes through there and hit this thing over here. If it never touch the water, that thing goes quick. It's got to be basic.